Oh man, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm telling you, that is nice. This one is the bunny. Well, I'm telling you. Oh, wow. Wow. Too easy. Three ingredients in 7 minutes. Oh. Wow. Great lobster. I have to stop. Okay. Hi, I'm Keith Colbert. Welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'll be doing some recipes that's easy and fun and something that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Now for the amazing part. The lobster's done, and I think it's just about to perfection. So we run about 7 minutes in there for 2 lobsters. So now we're going to break them down, and I'll show you how to just amaze your guests. And it's easy and fun. Now, you can learn this online, or you can watch this, and we'll teach you how to do it real quick. You ready? All right, I'm going to take the small lobster and break it down first by taking the claws off. 1, 2, okay, now we have the body, and pull it out, and just a quick little twist, 1, 2, and pull that out, set that to the side, that's 1, 2, 3, and something here that most people won't do, and there's meat in these little legs, and I'll show you how to get that too. 3, 4. All right, now for presentation, I'm going to take the body part off. Trim around it. And we put that on our table, the first part. All right, the towel will keep the juices up. Now, what I'm going to do is first is break down these claws. Them ready. There's 1 and 2. Now the tools you'll need: rolling pin, important, scissors, and a sharp knife. 3 things, and of course your towel. So you'll take these. I'm going to put these knuckles to the side, and we'll start with these. So you take this thing, the claw, 1, 2, and then slowly you want to pull that vein out. Should come right out. There we go. That's what you want. Now, I'll take my little rolling pin. 1 time, 2 times. Separate it. Oh, that is a little diamond. Put that on our tray. Our next claw, same thing. 1, 2, and then ease it out. You can see it comes right out. There we go. Again, I'll show you a different way to do it. Back of your knife and twist. Of course, that didn't work very well. I prefer this one. Break it. Back out. Open. And take our little jewel out. There we go. Now we have 2. Now, I'm going to take this down. Now be careful of these sharp prongs. Put it down to where it's kind of like the shiny side. And then just apply a little pressure. Listen. There we go. Now, you can take the meat out of here. Take your scissors. You can slip it under there and clip that shell. Makes it very easy. I'm going to take that apart and take that piece. Oh, sorry. Got that on the camera. There we go. 1 elbow. There's one. And you can see our plate forming. Again, watch this. Ready? Slight sound. Listen. There we go. Too easy with the towel. You don't get hurt. And you take that thing right out of there, and it's so simple. Really easy to do. It just takes a little bit of practice and you'll master it so easily. And like, you know, when we're in the States, say up in Maryland or someplace like that, they just put newspaper on the table and eat these things just all day. Just unbelievable. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to start with these legs and show you this is just an amazing thing here is get these ready. Start with the little one, start at the beginning and roll down. You see that little meat out, come right out, and we'll put that on our plate. Too easy. Just follow it, and you see that little bit of meat come right out of there. And it's amazing. This will not only impress your guests, but they're really going to enjoy it too. Okay. And I'll rearrange that when I get it on the plate, and the last one, the big one. How simple. And I don't know if we're slowing this video down, but if we're not, it really is very easy to do and so simple. Great. And the last one. What? And again, we go back, put our towel down, get up some mess. Same thing with this one, small smash. What you're doing is splitting the back of this thing, and then we'll take this shell off. Too easy. Get it about right there, and you can twist like that and it'll pop right out. Okay. I'm going to turn it over and hold it down and make some cuts along this so that under muscle there that's curled up kind of straightens out. And there we go. A wonderful lobster. I'm telling you, no shell, no mess, just let your guest enjoy. It's a kilo or 1,000 grams. I can feel how heavy these are. I think I would go with this one. Now the same thing, twist, ease it out, right there, and you get all of that meat out of that head. And put that down. Come up with a shell so it'll sit on my plate. Oh man, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm telling you, that is nice. Listen. Here we go. Oh, that is nice. Now I'm going to take my scissors and split this one because this shell's a little tougher. And get it out of there and have a beautiful presentation. Another great piece of lobster right there. A larger lobster, of course, always has more meat. Four. And same thing with our body. The tail. Get that crack. And take these pieces. All right, now I'm going to just shine up the back of the lobster, just make it really pretty for when you put it on the table by putting a little butter sauce on the back of it. And you can see the difference in what it looks like. A little bit of that on there. It's nice and shiny and pretty and beautiful and it smells great. How much more easier? 3 ingredients, 7 minutes, and this is what you get. No shell in your teeth, none of that. All you do is enjoy. You think you're going to get this in the restaurant? Absolutely not. This you do yourself. At home, dip it in that butter sauce. So tasty. It is wonderful. And easy. I just showed you the whole video. 3 ingredients, 7 minutes, and that. It can't get any better. See you again soon. Oh, man. Too easy. Wow. You know, you go to a restaurant, they give you half the shell, you got shell in it, you're fighting with the shell, you're making a mess on the table. Not with this one. It's too easy. You just pick it up and eat it. And no shell. Yeah, that's good. That's the way it's meant to be. Nothing but basics and a wonderful, wonderful dish. Wow, you've got to try this. See you again soon. Casey's Kitchen.